Alright, today we're cooking curry. You ready? Let's start by heating grapeseed oil and coconut oil. I know I put a lot of oil, but I'm making a lot of curry. Now you want to thinly slice onions, or you can even blend the onions, but this time I'm thinly slicing them and caramelizing them. When they start to cook, then I'm going to add tomato. This is going to form our base. Now I added these a little bit early this time. Usually I would cook the tomato and onion longer first, but it worked out. Now you can add some other vegetables that don't take as long to cook. I think I added a little bit of agave there. Here comes the habanero. Use fresh habanero pepper and remove the seeds. Hot enough. One habanero is enough to make a big pot pretty spicy. Now just a pinch of clove. Don't add too much or it'll take over the taste. You can always add a little more later, but you can't take out if you add too much. Now I'm adding some coconut cream, about half a cup. And some cooked chickpeas. To prepare the chickpeas, I already soaked, drained them, and boiled them. Now I want to add some water. I like to make soupy curry this way, so just want to fill it to the top with water and then let it boil. Here I'm adding a generous amount of sea salt. Again, you can always add more salt later, so don't add too much. You could always put a little bit more on your own bowl rather than make it too salty for everyone. Now I'm adding enoki mushrooms. They don't take very long to cook, so I waited to add them towards the end. And adding another half cup or more of coconut cream, coconut milk. The kind I get is very creamy, and I use the cream off the top. And a little bit more water. That just depends on, I'm just filling it to the right level. I know how much broth I like, And if I'm making chickpea curry, I like to add a lot of extra broth because just chewing on chickpeas nonstop can get old. So I like it a little bit soupy. And I added some fresh basil. Sometimes I add dried basil if I don't have it fresh. Now you just want to simmer this once it boils. Turn down the heat until everything's uniformly cooked. Alright, adding a little bit more olive oil drizzle on top. And I'm tasting this the whole time and adjusting it to my taste. As you get better, you'll know exactly how spicy you want it. Alright, thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. I have a lot of videos about where to shop, what to buy, how to be healthy in 2020 and beyond. Looking forward to seeing you in my next video. And also we have a free group where I share recipes. Check out the link in the description.